Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, I'm Taylor and welcome to my channel. And today's video is going to be a collab with Appearanz. I'm going to be doing an eyelash lift at home, and then I have 4 different false lashes from them that I'm going to be trying on and showing you guys, including a magnetic eyelash. So if you guys are interested in seeing what results I have from my eyelash lift and the different styles eyelashes by Appearanz, just keep watching. But before we start today's video, don't forget to hit that like button down below and subscribe to my channel because I would love to have you. Also, make sure you have your post notifications turned on so you don't miss an upload. Also, I'm super close to 2,000 subscribers, and once I hit 2,000 subscribers, I'm going to be having a giveaway, so you definitely don't want to miss that. Anyways, without any further ado, let's hop into this eyelash lift at home. So I want to thank Appearanz for reaching out to me to collab on today's video. I'm going to be doing a little unboxing of what they sent me. You guys see here's the box and here's everything they sent me. So they did send me 4 different false eyelashes. 2 of them are black, and then 2 of them are brown, and actually one of the brown ones is a magnetic eyelash. And then they also sent me a lash lift to lift my natural eyelashes. So that is what I'm going to be doing first, and then I will try on all the false lashes for you guys. So one thing it does say on the box of the eyelash lift is that you should not wear contacts. So I do wear glasses and contacts, so that is why I showed you guys taking my glasses off. But I am going to be doing one eye at a time, so I'm going to be putting one contact in the eye I'm not going to be doing, just so I can see, because I am blind. I would not be able to see anything. So anyways, this is what my eyelashes look like before the eyelash lift. You guys can see right there. I do have naturally pretty decent length eyelashes, I would say. So I'm really interested in seeing how well this is going to work. So the first step is to use the cleaning liquid to remove the oil, dust, and makeup residue. So you actually, I think, are supposed to do this with a Q-tip, but I do not have any Q-tips currently at the moment. So I am just going to be doing it with this little tool they had in the tool part of the eyelash kit. So I'm just going to be cleaning my eyelashes along my lash line and a little up on my eyelid. Now the next step is to put glue on an eye pad, then place it on the upper part of your eyelid and make sure it stays. So they did have several different sizes of iPads that come along with this. I am using the smallest size for my eye, and I did glue it, and now I'm just holding it on to my eye, and I'm going to wait a little while to make sure that, sticks and stays. Now you want to put some glue on to the pad and then start pressing your eyelashes up onto it so they will hold. And again, I am using one of those tools that came with the lash kit. So I am just going to be pushing my lashes up, and you guys can kind of tell maybe I am having a little bit of difficulty with this. As soon as I push the eyelashes up and hold them there, they kind of just fall right back off. So it definitely did take me a while to get this step done, and a lot of glue. So I went ahead and kept applying some glue to get them to stick up. And it did take me probably, honestly, about 20 minutes just to get all the eyelashes up that I wanted up. So it definitely took a while and was very time consuming. So yeah. Now the next step is to go ahead and take the perming lotion on the eyelashes that, and then cover your whole eyelashes with that lotion. You guys can see I'm just going back and forth and covering my whole eyelashes with that. And then you take a plastic paper wrap to dry them and wait 5 to 8 minutes. So the next step is to use the fixing lotion, and just like the step before, I am just going to be applying that all over my whole eyelashes. And then again, I am going to be putting a plastic paper wrap on them to dry and waiting another 5 to 8 minutes. So now it's actually time to remove the lift pad from the upper part of my eyelid, and then I am going to be using the coating lotion to help hydrate, strengthen, and for eyelash growth. And now next, I'm just going to be using that same cleansing solution I used at the beginning, again to remove all the perm residue and glue. So definitely my eyes did feel a little bit sticky, but this definitely did remove all that stickiness and the glue, and yeah. And actually, it was like right now when I was editing my video, I noticed that my eyes looked to be 2 different colors of blue. I thought that was pretty funny. But anyways, I am showing you guys what the eyelash lift looks like, and you guys can probably tell the eyelash is that I did the lift to and the ones I didn't. I can definitely tell the ones I did not do the lift to are more pointed down and stuff, but the ones that I did the lift to is definitely more curled and everything like that. So I think it was a success and I would definitely do it again. Okay, so I kind of wanted to add a little, like, I guess you would call it wear test. Ignore that, something just fell. But anyways, I wanted to add like a little wear test kind of at the end of the eyelash lift part. So this is what my eyelashes are looking like. This is 3 to 4 days after I did the eyelash lift, and this is what they look like so far. And this is what they also look like with mascara on, because I do have makeup on right now. So yeah, you guys can definitely see they definitely are lifted. I'm really impressed with them. And I think they are lifted just a little bit more than what they would be if I used a eyelash curler. And normally when you use an eyelash curler, after like a few hours or something, your eyelashes kind of like go back down or whatever. But these stay like with the eyelash lift, they stay like this all the time. I'm really impressed with it, and I would definitely do it again. So yeah, this is what they are looking like. They look really good, I think. But anyways, let's jump into the trying on the false lashes part of the video. Now we are going to get into the false lashes try on part of the video. So here's the first pair I'm going to be using. They are called Sprinkler. And then here is what they looked like, and I actually love these. They were super comfortable on, and they were very easy to apply. I did not have to reapply them. They applied super fast and easy. I definitely love how they look on me. So yeah, these were probably one of my favorites. Next we have another pair. They are called Lash Goals. This is what they look like. They are black as well. These ones are definitely not as volumizing, I would say. They are more pointed down, but again, they definitely are full and thick, and they were very easy to apply and super comfortable. Honestly, I couldn't even tell I was wearing false eyelashes, so I'm actually really impressed with their eyelashes so far. Now here we go. Here is the magnetic eyelashes, and these ones are actually in the brown shade, and they are called Glowing Palms. So here's what they look like. It does come with a magnetic eyeliner, and they were super easy to apply. Like, I was shocked, and they stuck very well. They did not start falling off or anything like that. And I actually am loving the brown. I'm actually pretty surprised because I was a little skeptical of the brown, but I'm actually really liking it. But anyways, here is the last pair. They are called Wave. This is the second pair of brown lashes, and I think they are super pretty. They match my hair, and they would be perfect for like natural makeup look, and they're very simple and subtle. I think they are perfect, and I'm actually really impressed with these brown lashes, and I definitely would try more brown lashes in the future. Alright guys, that is all I have for you in today's video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button down below and subscribe. And like always, I will be having the links in the description for Appearanz. I will have the link for the eyelash lift and then the link for all the different eyelashes. So if you're interested in any of the eyelashes I tried on today or the eyelash lift, it will all be down in the description. You can go shop Appearanz down in the description. But like always, I'll see you guys in my next video.